With the recent release of Vision Pro, which is expanding to more countries, many are curious about the status and features of Apple's other anticipated project, the Apple Glasses. Today, we'll provide a comprehensive summary of the Apple Glasses, exploring potential categories, key features, and upgrades we might see compared to the Vision Pro. One interpretation, based on recent leaks and rumors, suggests that the Apple Glasses could be an evolution of the Vision Pro. This means they would offer a similar mixed reality experience, but in a more compact, AR glasses form. Unlike the Vision Pro, an all-in-one device, these glasses would likely require a connection to another device like an iPhone, iPad, or Mac. This approach is similar to what companies like X-Real have done with their glass models. For instance, X-Real's Ultra models offer advanced features like hand tracking, but they still need to be connected to another device such as a smartphone or a gaming console. This setup helps keep the glasses lightweight and more comfortable to wear. Alternatively, the Apple Glasses might take a different route, focusing on simplicity and everyday utility rather than full immersive experiences. This concept aligns with products like Ray-Ban Stories or Amazon Echo Frames. According to leaks from sources like Ming-Chi Kuo, these glasses would leverage Apple Intelligence for voice-activated assistance and augmented reality overlays. They would connect to your iPhone or iPad using their processing power, rather than having an onboard chip. This design would include features like heads-up displays for navigation, notifications, and real-time information queries, making them a practical tool for daily use rather than a high-end mixed reality device. One of the key features of the Apple Glasses, as suggested by leaks, is their reliance on an external device for processing power. Unlike the Vision Pro, a standalone device, the Apple Glasses would connect to your iPhone, iPad, or Mac. This approach helps keep the glasses lightweight and less bulky, making them more comfortable for prolonged use. It also allows for more advanced features without the need for a powerful chip inside the glasses themselves. While the Vision Pro offers a full mixed reality experience, the Apple Glasses would likely offer a scaled-down version of this. They might not include as many cameras or LiDAR sensors, which are used for depth sensing and spatial awareness. This reduction in hardware helps keep the glasses lightweight and more affordable. However, the software experience would still be robust, running on a variant of the Vision OS currently used in the Vision Pro. This means users could still enjoy augmented reality overlays and interactive experiences, but in a more streamlined form. To make the Apple Glasses comfortable for everyday use, Apple is likely to minimize the number of cameras and sensors. This design choice, reported by sources like The Information, helps reduce weight and bulk. The glasses would be designed to look and feel like regular eyewear, making them more appealing to a broader audience. Instead of having a full headgear setup like the Vision Pro, the Apple Glasses would offer a more discreet and stylish option. One of the standout features of the Apple Glasses, according to patent filings and industry rumors, is the integration of a heads-up display. HUD. This display would show essential information like notifications, navigation directions, and real-time data. For instance, if you're walking through an airport, you could ask the glasses for your flight details, and the HUD would display the relevant information. This feature would be powered by Apple Intelligence, enabling users to interact with their environment more intuitively. Apple is known for its focus on privacy and security, and the Apple Glasses are expected to continue this trend. Patents filed by Apple suggest features like privacy filters that prevent others from seeing what's on your display. This ensures that sensitive information remains visible only to you, adding an extra layer of security. Additionally, the glasses would likely include advanced encryption and privacy controls to protect user data. As for the price, there are two potential scenarios. If the Apple Glasses are an evolution of the Vision Pro, they could be quite expensive, potentially costing thousands of dollars. However, the price could be more affordable if Apple opts for a simpler, more practical design, similar to Ray-Ban Stories or Amazon Echo Frames. Analysts like John Prosser have suggested that the Apple Glasses could be priced around $500 to $600. This would make them accessible to a broader audience, while still offering advanced features and seamless integration with other Apple devices. Regarding the release date, Ming-Chi Kuo, a well-known analyst, has predicted that the Apple glasses could be released in 2026 or 2027. This timeline gives Apple enough time to refine the technology and ensure a smooth launch. By then, advancements in AR technology and the integration of Apple Intelligence will likely make the Apple glasses a standout product in the wearable tech market. What do you think about the potential features of the Apple glasses? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell. Until next time, take care and stay tuned for more exciting updates.